reception and welcome to Tuesday's Maths. Now yesterday we started learning about clocks and time. Hopefully you had a little play on the game at home and you managed to write in all the numbers in your workbook. So we're not going to move on to the next page yet in our workbooks. We're going to have another day thinking about clocks and thinking about time, thinking about where the numbers go. And thinking about what time it says on that clock when we've got our minute hand and our hour hand. So what I would like you to do today is have a go at drawing your own clock at home. So most clocks are round in shape. So we're going to have a go at making a circle. Now I can cheat on my board because I can just draw the shape. I can have a circle ready-made, but you might want to find something that's round that you can draw around at home. So maybe you could use a plate or a bowl, or maybe you've got a clock that's round that you could draw around. You want a nice round clock face. Move it down here. Okay, so there's my round one. And then we need to think really carefully about where those numbers go. So remember yesterday we said that number 12 was right at the top here. 12 needs to be in the middle. Okay, and then we can add in from number 12. So let's think number 12, and then it went to our first number that was number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11, and then we make it all the way back to 12. And then you can choose your very own time that you'd like to show on your clock. So I think on my clock today I want to show 5 o'clock. So the clock hands start from the very middle, so I'm going to do a little dot in there. And I know if it's o'clock, then that big minute hand has to face the 12. So there's my big hand, it's long. Okay. And the hour hand is a little bit smaller. I'm going to change colour for my hour hand. And I wanted it to face at 5. So it's a little bit shorter. I can see that this one says 5 and it's pointing at the 12, so it's o'clock. Then I forgot writing that. 5 o'clock. Okay, so that's all I'd like you to do today. Use some paper, draw your circle, add in your numbers, pick a time, add in your minute hand, add in your hour hand, make sure you've got one long, one short, and then when you've finished, have a go at writing what time it is that you've shown me on your clock. And make sure to if you want to do more than one, that's absolutely fine, you might do that. Then you might decide you want to do another clock. You might want to do a clock that's got a different time on it this time. So just try your hardest to make sure that you've got 12 at the very, very top of the clock. And we're remembering those different sizes for the hands. Okay, can't wait to see what you make. Bye.